Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change Chrome download location on Android phone. So guys, let me remind you that changing download location is only available for SD card. It is not available for your internal storage. So if you have any SD card, just go to your Chrome browser. Now after that, click the top right this three dot icon and click on this downloads option. Now after clicking download, here you can see there is a gear icon. Just click on the settings and here you can see download location. Click on it, and after clicking download location, if you have any SD card on your phone, you can just select the SD card and select the location where you need to download anything. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.